Good morning students and welcome to the Maths Lab class. In today's class we are going to do an activity based on the chapter Play with Patterns. So here in this video children I have discussed about the three patterns. First one is the repeated pattern, then we have the growing pattern and the third one is the number pattern. So observe and see the video carefully, and by the end of the video you are given some homework. And what is that homework? You have to make two repeated patterns and two growing patterns by cutting and pasting work with the material available at your home, the bindi or the star stickers or the stones, and then send the PDF of the same in your respective Maths Lab groups. So students, let us proceed towards the first type of pattern, and that is the repeating pattern. So as you can see here on the screen, the first pattern is a triangle, then a circle, then a triangle, then a circle. So what will be the next one? Yes, we have a triangle and a circle. Now you can see the next pattern. Here you can see the first is the diamond shape, then a rectangle and then a square. The three shapes are repeated children. So now the final answer again will be the three shapes will be repeated. And in the next one we have the two arrows you can see here, straight pointing upwards, then the arrow pointing sideways to the right, then again two arrows and then one arrow to the side. So what will be the possible now next three arrows? Yeah. So here you can identify easily what repetition of shape is going on. So now let us move to the next slide. Here you can see the pattern one star, then two stars, then one star and two stars. So students, here you can easily observe the next will be one star and then two stars. Now moving on to the next pattern, you can see here two wheels and then three blue, then two yellow and then three blue. So what will be the next? Two yellows and three blues, right? Moving on to the next slide. Here children you can see again I have made a pattern based on the geometrical shapes. So you can see here a rectangle, a circle, a triangle. Again a rectangle, a circle and a triangle. But children, one thing more you have to observe here, the color combination is also to be repeated. A yellow rectangle, so again next one is a yellow rectangle. A green circle, so next one is to be a green circle, and a red triangle is to be colored again the red triangle only. So what will be the next here? A green circle and a red triangle, right? Now again one more pattern here. Look carefully. What do you observe? Multiply sign, and then here we have two equal to's, again a multiply sign and then two equal to's. So what will you find the next? A multiply sign and then two equal to signs, right children? Let's have a look at some different kinds of patterns. As you can see here, these patterns are made using the alphabets. You can see A, two A's, then we have one B, again 2A and then 1B. So what is repeated? 2A and 1B, right? Now moving on to the next one. Here you can see the first three letters A, B, C are repeated. Again we have A, B and C. So the next will be A, B and C. Let us have a look at some more interesting one pattern. Here I have used the alphabet plus the numbers. So A1, B2, A1, B2. So the next one will be A1, be 2. Right? Let's move to the next slide where you will see some patterns based on the repetition of colors. As you can see here, the first one, pink smiley, then the yellow, pink, then the yellow, pink, then the yellow. So next one will be pink and then a yellow. Now one more colorful pattern here. You have a blue box and a red box and then a blue, then a red box, then blue and then a red box, and next one will have a blue box. Right, interesting. Now I have made one pattern by making the colorful clouds. So a green one, then a pink one, green and a pink one, green, then a pink one. So next one will be the green one cloud. So children, now we are moving towards the next type of pattern, and that is the growing pattern. As you can see, my arrow moves upwards. In the same way, when you observe the patterns, you will find something is increasing in a particular way. So let us here see the first pattern. As you can see here, children, in my first pattern, I have made the caterpillar. The first caterpillar has one circle, and then the second caterpillar has 1, 2 and the 3 circles, and next one has 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 circles. So as moving on and seeing that the number pattern which we observe here 1, 3, 5, so next caterpillar will have how many circles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 circles. So now let us see similarly next growing pattern. Here you have a train, and you can see one bogie, 0 bogie in the first one, then I have 0 bogie, and then I have 2 bogies in the second one, 1 and 2, and in the next one I have 1, 2, 3 and 4. So how many bogies are there? 4. And so as we observe here the pattern, next one will have how many bogies? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 bogies in the next one. Is it not interesting? Right. See some more beautiful growing patterns. So here I have made a tree using 2 geometrical shapes, a square and a triangle. So you can see, children, and observe that one square is the base of each tree, but in the first tree we have one triangle. You can see here one triangle, green one, and in the second tree you have 1 and 2 triangles, and in the next one you have 1, 2 and 3. So what will be the next number of triangles in the next tree? 1, 2, 3 and the fourth one, 4 triangles. Now we have next one beautiful pattern. Here you can see a blue rectangle, a standing rectangle, and then one yellow square along with it. So in the next pattern here you can see one rectangle is being repeated, but here you have 2 squares, yellow squares, 1 and 2. So next one will be having 1, 2 and the 3 squares. And similarly in the next one we'll have how many squares? 4 squares in all. Right. Now let us move to the next slide. Here you can see, children, 4 blue dots, and now observe the pattern here. First blue dot, a circle, and then in the next one we have 1, 2 and 3 circles, and in the next one how many circles are added? 2 circles are added. Here in the first one we added 2 circles, one here and one here, and now in this one figure I added again 2 circles, one here and one here, right? So here we had 1 circles, then here we have 3 circles, here we have the 5 circles, and then in the next one we have the 7 circles, right? Now carefully observe one more pattern here, children. One square is given to you and then we added 2 squares in the vertical manner. So now 2 are added and 1 was already here. Now what we observe in the next one? 3 squares are added in the vertical line. So 3 and then 2 and then 1. So what will be the next one? Here you can see 4 squares in a vertical manner and then 3 squares and then 2 and then 1. This is a beautiful growing pattern. Now have a look at one more interesting growing pattern. Here you can see, children, one triangle of yellow color. Now next what we did is we added 3 triangles at the base. So one triangle was already here and we added 3 triangles in this way. So observe the next one. Here you can see the first triangle here as it is, and then these 3 triangles here remain as it is, and what we added is 5 triangles here. How many triangles we added? 5. So now observe the next one. Here you can see, children, how many are added? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 triangles are added. So as we observe here, 1 at the top, then 3 and then a line of 5 triangles, and we have next line of 7 triangles. Now moving on to the next one. Here you have a square put in some tilted way and then a square at the right and one square at the left are joined. Now in the next one you can see here, children, carefully that these 2 squares are already here, but now we added 1 square at the top and 1 square at the bottom. Similarly, if we see the next one, here you find this square in the same way here, this square in the same way here, here 1 square at the side as we had in the first figure, but what we did is 1 square we added to the left and to the right as we had in the first one. Then we added in the second one 1 square at the top and the bottom, and now we added 1 square at the left and the right. So what we observe in the next one? Where will we add 1 square? Yeah, 2 squares you can find here on the left and on the right, but we added 1 square here at the top and 1 square at the bottom. So this is a beautiful example of a growing pattern. Students, now let us move towards the next beautiful pattern. This pattern is made using the yellow squares and they are arranged in a very particular manner. As you can see here, 1 square and there are 2 squares attached, right? So now here you can see the same way how many squares are attached? 1, 2 and 3 in the previous figure. Now in the same figure here, how many squares are added? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now let us observe what will be the next figure. In next figure we have 1 square, then we have the 2, then we have the 3, and similarly how many are added at the last? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 squares are added to make this beautiful growing pattern. Move towards the last slide of the growing patterns here. Here one beautiful pattern is made using the blue and the red balls. So in the first, here you have the one blue ball. Here you have one blue and 3 red balls. So in total you have 4 balls. And next one you have 9 balls. And the next one, if we count, we have 16 balls. And then we have 25 balls. So children, here you will observe carefully. We are finding here 2 types of patterns. One is here 1 into 1 is 1. Then we have 2 multiplied by 2 gives me 4 in the next one. Then we have a 3 into 3 gives me 9. Similarly, 4 4s are 16 here and 5 5s are 25 number of balls here. And what do we observe in the second pattern? The pattern of red balls. You can see here 0 number of red balls here. No ball is red over here. But here you have 3 red balls. And in the next one you have the 5 red balls. And in the next one you have 7 red balls. And so in the last one, how many red balls do you have? 9 red balls in the last one. Right. Now children, one more beautiful pattern I have made here. This is otherwise a very simple one. Only layers are added to the first figure. This is the first figure, right? And now first layer and the second layer. So in the third figure, one layer is added at the top. So 3 layers, and here one more is added at the top. 4 layers, right? Now students, let us move towards the next type of pattern, and that is the number pattern. So here the patterns are totally based on the numbers. As you can see here, the first pattern is 3, 6, 9, 12. And if I carefully observe it, I find it the multiple or the table of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, and so the next one will be 3 7s are 21, and then 3 8s are 24, and then 3 9s are 27. One more thing you can observe here children, that each time we are adding 3 to the previous number. If first number is 3, if I add 3 I get 6. Again if I add 3 I get 9, and if I add 3, 12, plus 3, 15, plus 3, 18, right? Now let us move on to the next one. Here you can see children, what pattern is going on? 22, then we have 32, then we have 42. So difference of 10 is there between the first 2 numbers. So 22 plus 10 gives me 32. Then again plus 10, if I add 10 I will get 42. Similarly in 62, if I add 10 I will get 72. And next one will be 82 and 92. Right. Now observe the third number pattern children. Here you can see what is going on. 301, then we have 401. The series of number is changing. 300's line, 1 is added, then 400's line, 1 is added, then 500's line, 1 is added, and 600's line, 1 is added. So next we have 701, and then we have 801, and next is 901. Right. Or you can observe in this way also, that first digit is changing 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and other two digits remains the same. Or one more thing you observe is that we are adding 100 to the previous number to get the next number in the pattern. Now moving on to the last number pattern. Here again you can find a table of 6, or if we add plus 6 to the previous number, we'll get the next number. So 6 plus 6 gives me 12, or 6 2s are 12, then 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, and so similarly what will I get next if I add 6? 30 plus 6 gives me 36, or 6 6 are 36. Then we have 42 and 48. So this was all about number patterns. Thank you.